Hey guys, this is Mark here with Amity Technology. We're going to do a little service bulletin video today on checking our coils off our ADC valve off our harvesters. We just happened to run into a problem here on a new valve which wasn't performing good as it came out of the factory. So I pulled the coils out, and I just want to give a quick video here on how we use our little power supply box and our cord to check our coils out to make sure they're functioning correct. We just plug it in, and I've taken and sprayed some brake cleaner through this and clean it all up, try to get rid of the oil, but just want to make sure everybody knows what to look for. Now this is a properly functioned coil. What I usually do is just take a small screwdriver, stick in the end on the piston, and just set it down lightly, and then once we apply voltage, we'll actually see that piston operate up and down, and that's opening up, allowing the spool in the valve to operate. So we always want to look for that by just applying voltage to the coil. And like I said, we had a couple of coils on a valve that were not working correctly, so I washed them up. Whether it's something stuck in the piston or not, I don't know, but we just take and put that screwdriver on there and applying voltage, just turning it off and on, and we can see we have no movement of the piston inside the coil. So just kind of a quick way to demonstrate how we use our little test box or power box that was supplied in the ADC Diagnostics test kit. Thanks.